I'm going to show you how to remove the instrument cluster out of this Land Rover vehicle. This one specifically is a 2006 LR3 SE, but I do believe that this process will work for all the 2005 to 2009 models. If I'm wrong, make sure to let us know in the comments below. All right, let's get started. For the removal, we'll need a drill, a T20, and a T30 bits. My first step is we're gonna loosen up the steering wheel. We're gonna pull it all the way down and towards us, lock it in. Next, we're gonna remove these two side pieces, and I'm gonna pull on it. Now mine, the rubber is coming off, so I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver to help pry it away so that I don't damage it farther. It comes out. Now this one, I can just pull away. The rubber's not coming off, but if it is, you can always use a flathead screwdriver to help pry away, and then we'll wiggle it off. Next, we have this bottom piece. Same thing, we'll just pull it off. Now we're gonna encounter our first T20 screw. We have one on each side, and our other one. Now, this whole piece here should come out, just like that. And because I've disassembled and reassembled this several times before, this piece actually broke off on me, but you don't actually need to remove it. You will have to just pull it out and have it nice and loose with this whole other part of the console. And now that's gonna reveal we have two T30 screws on each side over here that we're gonna want to remove next. For this one, I'm using my T30 bits, and I'm gonna sneak in my drill from the side here. Unscrew it. Same thing from the other side. Sneak in the drill from the side. And those screws are really in there, so I'm using an impact drill. I was actually not able to get it out with a regular drill. Now you'll want to try and move this piece as far out of your way as possible and down. And then we'll use our flathead to pry the cluster away from the vehicle. And we'll work our way on both sides. Then we'll try and do the same on the top. There we go. There we go. And then you'll wiggle it out. Just like that. Now for the removal of the cable, I'm gonna put a little pressure on this tab right there. And I'm gonna lift the black latch over. We're gonna keep pulling it until it loosens up and the cable can come off. And that's how you remove your instrument cluster. If you're interested in sending yours in for us to fix, we offer flat rate services which come with a 1-year warranty, and those will be available on our website. That'll be linked in the description down below. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.